Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Rikman Momin mentakas sngi ka arpo nyotrik unai wing ula Pynbna bagi nongya lambah klik jong ke BJP kila ay ke jing menjuri ke dikhot Bathymmai jong ke BJP ha ke jela ke executive committee ke Bathymmai jong ke BJP Meghalaya ka kintom ya hendreungot ki state vice president u Bernard Marak Tura City Krawbok lang Basayomot East Khasi Hills Dipol R Marak Southwest Garo Hills Gagan Jane Shillong City but Ria Sangma na Ribhoy District. Ula benrabru da kabaya tho bahag Meghalaya kin donru ki State General Secretary kata Dr. Everest Mersing na Ribhoy but lakhon bi am na West Gentia Hills. Ki Executive Committee ka kintobru ya henrengot ki State Secretaries ki bakintop yo ba haka biang Lingdo West Gentia Hills, Bernadette Lingdo East Khasi Hills, Adam Kit Sangma Tura City, Briviat Haba East Khasi Hills, Pynbna Nanda Coach Southwest Garo Hills pada Ubipen Pradhan Shillong City. Nagalyang Presiden ke BJP uriyat horu baka thong jong ka Seng kalong ban penklansyusyo ya ka Seng de jing trailang but Nongkitkam jong ki district but ki unit bapher.
One by one I'll be naming out. The State Vice President is Mr. Bernard Marak, Crow, Gokilin, Bathymmai, Wangkipok, Pynbna, Sri Dipol Marak, Sri Gagan Jane, and Srimati Ria Sangma. These are the 6 Vice Presidents. The General Secretaries are Dr. Everest Mersing and Lapan Biang. State Secretaries are Akabiang Lindo, Dr. Bernadette Lindo, Sri Adam Kit, Srimati Brevia Thaba, Sri Premananda Coach, and Mr. Bipin Pradhan. State Treasurer is Sri Sarban Junjunwala. Office Secretary is Srimati Arunati Paul. State Mahila Morcha is Sukhi Paryat. State President Yuva Morcha, Mr. Mewakar Lindo. State ST Morcha, Sri Thomas N. Marak. State Kisan Morcha, Sri Aralden Sabong. And lastly, State Minority Morcha is Sri Sahidur Rahman. So these are the office bearer which has been approved by our central office. It's a mix of old one and new one.
So why it has taken 2.5 months for the new EC to be approved today?
Maybe because of center, because there are 5 states of election are going on. Na? Maybe because of that.
When did you submit this list?
Pardon me?
When did you submit the list to the national leaders?
A month ago.